You have to understand when not to sell your business because the worst possible position is negotiating from a place of desperation and that you need this exit or sale. So here are the 4 red flags of when not to sell your business. Number 1, declining revenue. If your business is making less and less profits and revenue every single year, please do not go to the market. Do not pay a broker to sell your company or represent you. What you should do first is look at your business, understand where the leakage is, and fix the problem. Number 2 is over reliance on you as the business owner. If everything flows through you, you are the biggest bottleneck. Empower your team and train your team to run your business because when you can do that, you're negotiating from a place of leverage. Number 3 is unsolved issues. These could be legal, these could be financial, these could be issues with your customers or suppliers. Is anyone suing you? Is a customer suing you? Has someone been hurt in your workplace and it might be a pending case or pending investigation? Please solve these issues before you go to market because when you go into due diligence, when these issues are uncovered, it is going to drive down the price of your business. Number 4 is no growth story. If you watch our previous breakdown on how to sell your business in the UK, we talked about a growth story. Everybody wants to feel like they are lucky to buy a business that has a bright future. You have to be able to sell that. Look, the future is much brighter because of the current things that you've put in place to allow this business to be able to do that. Not what the buyer will come and invest all the money in, is looking at the current foundation that you've built. Is there a growth story that we can tell? Can we say every single year you've been growing by 10%, 20%, and because you've put this in place, it will keep growing? You need a growth story, guys. It is very important because you are selling your business. And those businesses that have a great growth story, they can always attract multiple buyers and they can always demand higher valuations because there's competition.